Hello to everyone, good day. I hope you are doing well. My name is Lucifer, and this one is my first video on the YouTube. Today, firstly, in little bit introduction, I want to say that here I am giving you three amazing, excellent work from home websites which could be help you for earning and in 2025. I hope that you used it and you get well on. So further ado, let's begin it. First website is called Tokoloka. Toloka. So this is a platform where you get a platform for data labeling tasks. Yeah, it's work as an labeling data or arranging data. Here you could be see that earn money when tasks are available and how it work. And you have to do register here, and you will get all of those are information on his websites, and you could be get easily 50 to 60 dollars per day because of this website. And now we are moving on second websites are specially for women and girls. They could be get easily make money through online platforms. Yeah, so this website is called Ageo. Yeah, that's a geo.com. GJCA. There is a website you could be. So here there is a empowering woman with new opportunities. This website is specifically for a woman, for women and girls. So here you could be see there is a, you have to apply here what you have to do on this platform for getting on money. So there is a you have to work as an associate programmer. So how could you get money from how could you here is the what is a geo customer associate doing for it. So there is a whole description of your job, and here is a earning calculator that you could be make according to hours. There is a if you are spent 2 hours you could be get $7,000 in rupees, and there is a for if you are spend 4 hours then you could be get 40,000 rupees. And here is if you are paying if you are spend 8 hours on this platform with working, that you could be make easily 28,000 per month. And how could you apply for it? So here is the process, step-by-step explanation how get you start work on it on this platform. First step is that you have to firstly registering here the platform, and second step is you have to take an online test. That is a very simple test. Actually my sister is doing this working on this platform, and she making easily 21,000 per month on working on 6 hours. So there is an online test. It's pretty easy for everyone. And third step is verifying documentation, and fourth step is in-depth learning. There is nothing, they will be conduct a session for you and giving you a little bit information about platform working and description of those. There is a nothing. And let's go ahead. There is a step number 5, get started and earn. You could be get earn make money on this platform easily, and there is a lot of women's and girls are making money on these platforms. So you could be I think you should visit this platform, so that could be worth it if you are a woman or a girl. And third, last but not least, this platform is called chattas.com career. Yes, if you like chatting, if you are chatterbox, so I think you should be prepare this job. It's pretty good for you. You could be see here there is a we are passing growing company with a mission of a change the world. This company what actually do? So this company is help to growing other companies who don't have customer support. They are this company is providing customer support, and you have to work as a customer supporter. And you could be see here that the chat desk expert. So become a customer support expert for brands that you love. And you could be see here there is a New York City intern. There is a lot of vacancy you could be see here, and you don't need to very much higher requirements and eligibility education. You just need as a chat, you just need to how to chat fastly, maintainly, and in good manner. That's it. If you are, then you could be fully eligible for this job. So I hope that you like my video, and for upcoming future opportunity I think you should be subscribe and like please my video. And tomorrow I will be come back with new 3 amazing websites which could be help you for earning work from home. These three websites are totally genuine. You could be, I think you should be visit if you are like anyone according to your eligibility, and there is anyone can get this. So I hope so. Have a nice day. Bye. See you. Get well soon.